These are batteries. They're currently wired in parallel. That means the voltage across the two is going to stay the same on the output, but the amperage, so the current, is going to be added together. So if we look at these batteries, they are 18 volt 4 amp batteries. That means the output of this right here is going to be 18 volts 8 amps, because we're adding two of these together. These are old Ryobi batteries. They come with these adapters. I'll have them in the description below the like button. It allows you to easily attach them, and it comes with these fuses as well. My wiring job is not the best because these are just old wires. We kind of just threw everything together super cheaply to see if we could power on and save the lawnmower. How it works is there is a key on the back side that connects these two together. This completes the circuit. That's removable. You have a one slide over position, and then you push it up to actually arm it. You have from mow to auxiliary. So this, it won't mow once it's on. From here, looking at the electrical components, what we took out is that old battery. It's 24 volts 10 amps lead acid, and we're replacing it with the two Ryobi batteries. So we have them right here. The wiring, there's enough room to tuck it in here, and this case is just going to go right on top of it. You can see it goes to the positive terminal of the lawnmower, and then this one, the ground, goes to the negative terminal. We just use the drill, pulled these out, put them under, and that's pretty much it. So the problem is here that the wire is getting pinched when this is all the way down. So I'm going to take a Dremel and then just cut around it a little bit. It's just a little plastic housing. And then whenever you want to take these out, you can just pull these green parts off. They're held in with like little clips. And then the batteries come out and you can charge them. This is the other side. So all you need to do is just this a little bit so it's not pinching the wires. And whenever you do want to take these out, all I said is you can actually do it while the cover is on. You would just kind of lift these up. There is enough clearance in the cover to do this. Lift it up. And for these batteries, they have these two locks on the side. You just pinch it and pull the battery out, charge it, and then when you're done, drop it back in. Such a great way to save a lawnmower. Also, to prove it works, case is fine, blades are kind of out of the way, everything's good. Check this out. Slide it over and pull it. It works. So coming back to the batteries, how we have it wired is essentially, let's look at one battery at a time. We'll have this one on the right and this one on the left, and that's how I'm going to be referring to them at this time. So the one coming out on this side, we're gonna have two outputs from the actual battery. One is going to be going to the lawnmower itself. That's going to be attaching to the ground. And then we have to connect this wire to the next battery so that they're both grounded. So this is basically gonna go into this battery and then to the lawnmower. Now for the right battery, let's look at the positive. Remember, it's connected in parallel. So what this means is that this is going to go to here. So from here, you follow this wire down. It's going to come out here. Now it does have two outputs. It's split, but this one is just taped off. We're not using it. So really just think of it as one output. I'll probably like zip tie these together. It has one output. You can see it right here, and it goes to this battery. So we have this battery. If we follow the cable all the way down, going into that battery, the left one, and then it's really just coming out of here, and then this is tapping to the lawnmower. So that's how it's wired. Again, it is wired in parallel, so that way the voltage can stay the same and the current is going to double.